Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm gonna show you how to make kudu sandwich. So let's get it started. You can see here I cut small bit chicken. It's a small little. Okay. Now I'm gonna add here onion powder, 1 tablespoon, white pepper powder, just half teaspoon, garlic powder, half teaspoon. You can see it's sweet soy sauce. It's just 1 tablespoon. Mayonnaise, 3 tablespoon. Ketchup, just 1 tablespoon. Mustard sauce, half teaspoon. Now mix well. Chicken marination is ready. After half an hour I start this cook. Did you remember I did not add salt because I am gonna add here chicken Maggi cube. Just only small bit. That's it. Because we have ketchup and mayonnaise and the soy sauce have the salt. So just I add only very little bit chicken Maggi cube. So it's done. After half an hour, now I am gonna add this little butter on the fry pan. And then some chopped garlics. And now I'm gonna add this chicken. So I start this cooking. Now chicken is done. So I'm gonna add here 1 medium size onion cut small cubes and also 1 bell pepper cut small cube medium quantity. So I add together and mix well. So it's ready now. I take to the plate, put on this plate. Cut this middle like this and just remove some pieces of bread, only that. Add some butter, to add mayonnaise, now I am gonna add this chicken top of the mayonnaise. Add sliced cheese top of the chicken. Now add some lettuce, so close it. It's done. The kudu sandwich, it's very easy how to make at home. So you can try this sandwich in your house and home and restaurants or any place. It's very simple or easy. So it's finished now. So now I am going to wrap this on sandwich paper. So just look at this. See, it's finished, complete. So hope you like this video. So please watch my video next time also, and subscribe my channel so I can make like this kind of unique and some creativities videos and recipes. So please do subscribe my channel. So see you again. Thank you so much for watching my video. Have a good day.
आप सभी ने तो वीडियो देख लिया। अब आप लोगों को वीडियो का नीचे लाल रंग का सब्सक्राइब बटन दिख रहा है, दबा दिया। धन्यवाद।